Mpilo and Sne, they are not having it. They are not having it. They are trying to get around with everything that has been happening in the Mseleku's household. Here we can see Mpilo asking her dad, Umusa Mseleku, that was there really a need for you to take the fifth wife? Because now the fifth wife problem seems to be causing havoc. It seems to be causing a whole lot of havoc in the family. And then we sing Usne also saying that whoever stresses you, you must leave if they want to leave. Which means whoever is stressing Mseleku, whether it's the fact that it's number 5 or it's people that have been there from the beginning, which side